Well, as you know, I've been trying to prep for this bear hunt, and tomorrow morning I plan on leaving at, I don't know, 5 or 6 a.m. So it's going to be a long first day. And I'll tell you more about that tomorrow. I plan on giving you daily updates, but ideally tomorrow I get to make it all the way up to Iowa, and I'll tell you more about Iowa later. But I wanted to share with you how the truck turned out, because I know I did a video where it was 2 o'clock in the morning, and I was really frustrated with the way that the peelable body armor was coming off. But all in all, I think the truck turned out fantastic. It's loaded and ready for a bear, quite literally. We've got a 2,500 mile trip ahead of us, and I'll just show you. I think it looks phenomenal, and I apologize about the light. I've been packing all day, but you can see it looks pretty good. I'm probably going to do the wheels at a later time and go ahead and get them, painted as a satin black versus having a little bit of chrome. There's still a little mud on it, but, I did all kinds of things like black out the F-250 logo, put blacked out headlights on it, blacked out the whole winch and the, I don't know what you call those, D-rings. Hood looks kind of gray right now, and again, it's dirty. I was busy today getting brand new tires put on it. But all in all, blacked out the side lights. I think it looks really, really good. There are little areas that I had to go back and touch up, as you saw in that video, where I was really frustrated at 2 o'clock in the morning, and it's hard to see. But there's little areas of discoloration where I had to go back and kind of manually paint it. But from a distance of 5 feet, depending on the light, you can't even tell. Like underneath the topper, there was areas where it was peeling, and some of this is literally dirt. I will say the body armor holds all kinds of dust, but I think it turned out really, really good. Put the aero bars on top, and like I said, do tires on it, and I'll show you the inside as we go down the road. But I've been trying to get everything prepped and ready. I've got the WeatherTech wind visors on there, or rain gutters, or whatever you want to call them. I've got a basket in the back, and I put an aftermarket heavy-duty bumper to match the front. You can see I've kind of fogged out the rear rear tail light, or not tail light, but the rear license plate. And in the bed, I've got a full queen-size bed back here. I've got blacked out areas for both sides, the front and back, but right now, so I can see when I'm driving tomorrow, I've got the front and the back off, but the black curtains that I made on the side are up. I've got things I'll show you here a little bit more, like an iPad arm, speakers for music, and lights up top. So it should be at least enjoyable to sleep in. But, all in all, I was really frustrated at 2 o'clock in the morning on that video, but from a distance, man, it really looks a heck of a lot better than the original white paint job. So I'm excited for the trip. I'll give you guys daily updates that I'll post online as I'm going down the road, but I think she turned out really, really well. We've got 5,000 miles ahead of us round trip. And you can see in the dash, I've got a Starlink Mini in there, I've got a Jackery in there, I've got all kinds of stuff that I'll share with you all as far as how I try to prep for this ride.